Hey there, welcome again from my Marine Engineering Technique channel. As part 2 of ALFA LAVAL Purifier, you can see how to remove particle shaft and how to reassemble again. Let's disassemble after requiring special tools and spare parts are collected. Open oil filling plug and then open the drain plug and empty the sand. Unscrew and remove the belt cover. Loosen poster bolts nut on separator frame side. Loosen but do not remove it. Loosen two tickling screws that are holding updater plate. Tilt the motor together with the updater plate slightly. After then, remove the flap belt from the motor pulley. Let's remove the operating water cover. Remove the screws over operating water cover and lift it out. If the cover is tight, fit the two screws into threaded holes and tighten. After then, you can easily lift off operating water cover. Let's remove the deflector ring and neck bearing cover. Deflector ring can easily pull off from the shaft. Special tool requires to lift off neck bearing cover. Fasten the tool to the cover using the mounting screws. Ease off the cover by tightening the screw. After that, remove the neck bearing cover. To remove the spindle assembly, remove the housing holding screws firstly. Fit the lifting tool to the spindle end. After that, slowly raise and lift off the spindle assembly using the hoist. Clean out the spindle parts and renew if required. You can subscribe my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications for upcoming content. Now it is about time to reassemble. Carefully lower the spindle assembly and position the bolt holes over the threaded frame holes. Fit and tighten the screws and then apply the thin layer of the oil for O-rings and sealing ring of the neck bearing cover. Fix the nut bearing cover and remove the tools. And then push the deflector ring down until it stops. Fit the operating water chamber. Check and confirm operating water channel is not clogged. Blocked operating water channel can lead to failure of separator discharge functions. Fit washers and tighten screws. Fit the flap belt to the motor belt pulley. Tighten the two tickling screws. Tighten the four nuts on separator frame side. Clean inside of the frames before fitting flap belt and make sure that there is no oil on the belt. Fill the belt cover and tighten the screws. How to see zones and reassemble bound parts of the ALFA LAVAL Purifier. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and turn on notification bells.